Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. So, today is going to be really simple, nothing too complicated. As you all know by now, I don't really ever have a theme or a color that I do. Maybe I will in the future, but most of the time I just put down whatever comes to me. So, I'm going to be using this sticker book. I had got this at Joann's and they had I think they either had a buy one and get one free, and I think I may have used a coupon as well. I'm not really sure, but whatever the deal was, it was a really good deal because I ended up getting three of these along with some other sticker books. So, okay, we'll go ahead and we'll get started and we'll just kind of see what jumps out at me. Yeah, we'll see what jumps out at me cuz guys, sometimes most of the time I honestly don't be knowing. So I'm just going to see what speaks to me. I love this one right here because it's got the flowers. I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys, because as you know, I love flowers. Now let's see if there's something over here that could possibly go with it. I'm not sure. I would love a page like this to possibly go with it. I think this might be the closest to go with it. I'm not sure. We'll just keep looking and see. Yeah. We'll just kind of play it by ear and we'll do these two. I guess they could kind of blend together. What do you guys think? You think those could blend together? So this will just set out of the way. And of course, you guys know from previous videos, I love these scissors because the sticky part of the stickers does not stick to them. It's like a no stick coating. So this page says live life with a little spice. So that would seem like a weekend sticker to me. So I'll just set that there. And these pins, I will put, let's see, this I'm gonna put over the notes part, guys. I have no idea if it's crooked because of the angle that I am at. And then I'm gonna just layer that just like that. And I'll probably put notes or remember or something there. And then this, is it sticking? If that lifts up, I might have to just reposition it or whatever. This sticker says what a wonderful day, and I will put that there. And then this one says every moment matters. And normally I would cut a sticker that's big like this, but I think I'm just gonna place that right there. Like I said, guys, I'm just going for a very simple design layout, nothing complicated. And so let's see. I think I want to lay this. Do I want to lay it this way? I guess I could lay it this way. Oh no. Oh, I don't want to tear this page. Okay. Oh. Guys, you see all the trouble I'm having here? Because I'm trying to lay it neat. And guys, as you know, I'm not a person that cares about it being all lined up and all neat and everything. But I don't want it like crazy, crazy, crazy. So yeah, that is on there. Okay, now I gotta try to figure out where I want to place this one. So where do I want to place this? Because it's just going to be very random. Guys, if you could see my setup right now, you would be like, oh my gosh. I am sitting way on the side and my tripod is directly over my planner, because most of the time the way that I record, the planner is upside down, and then when I do my editing I have to, you know, like rotate it. And there was another person whose video I had saw, and she said she puts her tripod like right between her legs when she's filming. And I was like, oh, okay. But that just seemed so awkward for me. So I just opted to put it like right over the planner, and then I just have myself sitting like over to the side, if you will. Guys, I know that is crooked, and I am absolutely gonna leave it just like that. This sticker says Wild at Heart. So we'll put this. Where will we put this? You know, I think we'll just put that right there. I think that fits really good right there. And you know, I am such, I'll put this right over this. Live life with a little spice. That's perfect. So now I am gonna randomly place these. So I will put that right there. And I'm just gonna randomly place these. Guys, I know that is crooked, but it is okay. I want to try to make my videos be a little bit faster, but you know, when you get the planning and creating, it's like stuff just kind of comes to you. Now let's see, this one I'm gonna put right here, and I'm just randomly placing them wherever I think they might, you know, work or whatever. Got a couple of things to do this week. I know I have some errands that I need to run. I need to go grocery shopping, and I am not looking forward to that. And then the way that I shop, because I have such a large family, I bulk shop, like I buy cases. And from what I'm hearing, they're not allowing you to really do that. So, not sure. I may have to make maybe 3 trips a week grocery shopping. What are you guys doing as far as grocery shopping? This I will put right here. Okay, so I want to use this whole sheet of stickers. Otherwise, it's gonna go in my unused sticker pile, and I have a lot of those. And I'm just kind of randomly placing these. I don't have any particular order, but isn't it funny how when you get to playing around with the stickers, how they just seem to bring your page to life, you know? Because honestly, I had no idea what this layout was gonna be. I seriously had no idea. Now if I can peel this up without messing it up, guys. Oh no, it's messing up. Oh, this one did not cut right, I don't think. Okay, we'll just move on. Ooh, these seem like they're probably didn't get kiss cut all the way through. I really like this floral border. Okay guys, where? We'll put this right here. We'll probably put a couple of them right there. Oh, so let's go back over here and try to see if I can get these. Oh, I already did that one. Where is the ones? Oh, I got them all on here, I guess. Okay. Okay, y'all. So now I can finish placing these stickers. I'll put this right there. And then this hello. Oh, I love that foiling. This looks like it could be rose gold foiling. So I'll place that right there. And then these paper clip stickers, we will just randomly place. I'll just place that there. I'll put that there. So for those of you that do planning, which planner do you use? Okay, where do I want to put this one, y'all? You know what? I think I'll put it right here. I'll put it right there. And then I'll place the last one. Where will I put the last one? I could put the last one right there. And so yeah, that concludes this plan with me. And I like the way it turned out. And honestly, I had absolutely no idea how it was gonna turn out because I had no direction and I had no color theme or anything. But thank you for joining me, and please consider subscribing if you have not done so already, and join me on all my social media with Lynne at Home, or you can visit my blog and website called athomewithlynne.com. Again, my website is athomewithlynne, and then all my other social media is with Lynne at Home. And please like my Facebook page with Lynne at Home. Thank you so much for watching this video.